how to reset an iPhone if you've forgotten the password. So if you're locked out of your iPhone, I'm going to show you exactly how to go and reset this. Now all you'll need is a computer and a USB-C cable. So the first step is head over to your computer and we need to go and open up the iTunes app. Now if you don't already have this installed, you can go and download it completely for free, and this is available on both Windows and Mac computers. Now once you have this app open, we need to head over to the iPhone and make sure the device is turned on like you see here. We're then going to grab the USB-C cable and you're going to plug one end into your computer and the other end into your iPhone. Now once you've done this, we need to go and press the following keys on the device. So we're going to quickly tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of the phone. So I'm going to do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to tap the volume up, tap the volume down, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side. Now continue to hold this button down until eventually the screen goes black. Now even when the screen goes black, continue to hold this button down, and after another 10 seconds you'll see the Apple logo appear. Just continue to hold this button down until you get to this recovery page. Now if it doesn't work the first time round, just go and repeat these steps, and as long as you have iTunes open like this, you're going to see this message pop up and it will say there's a problem with your iPhone, and this is where we can go and restore it. So just click on the restore button and this will reset your iPhone back to its factory settings, and this is going to also remove the passcode. Now as long as you have your data backed up on the iCloud, you can always go and restore your data once the iPhone's been reset. So just click on this restore and update button and then you can just wait while your iPhone factory resets.